My people, this one when I see e weak me reach my bone. Wetin this world even dey turn into sef? Na only God know wetin dey happen. Every day by day, children, I no understand o. Imagine this girl when her name, they say her name na Chidinma. Her name is Chidinma. She's called Chidinma. Na student, 300 level student for Unilag. Now she just kpai, one man wey be 49 years old. They say whether na few days na im remain for the man to become 50 years, few days abi few months. The whole thing, I know say the girl get her own fault o, but the man sef, himself get him own fault, because the man na married man. If you see the wife, so beautiful wife with kids. So I no really know wetin men dey really dey find for outside. How e just be like say you get sugar for house, now you say na salt na you wan come go eat. You understand? Or I wan even take talk am, person go get better thing for her, say wetin really dey special now. If you bring this girl picture, make you bring the wife of this CEO of this Super TV, make you bring am out. His name is Osifo. If you bring am out, the wife Mrs. Osifo, and this girl, they no near at all in every way. So me not really know wetin men dey find. See, you see, I just go use the hand take by himself for no reason. He just by himself for no reason. Yeah, he just by himself for no reason. Anyway, make I read wetin I see online about. Even if I no fit read everything, may I read where I fit read then. The whole thing, it just tire me. Funny enough, I no fit pity for the girl and I no fit pity for the man. Na just the truth be that. Now my truth be that. I know say nobody deserve to die the way when the man take die. But honestly speaking, I no really feel pity, because okay, now that man don go. Now wetin he wan go tell God say he kpai am? Wetin he wan tell God say he kpai am? And this girl, now she don use her hand to spoil her destiny by herself. Wetin she go come say he do her na as in? So me I no understand. They will say devil. Even Bible make us understand say heaven help those that help themselves. So me I no understand though. The whole thing just like people when my sympathy go out to na the wife of the man, which is Mrs. Osifo, and the kids, the family. Now then I really feel for, and this small girl, so this small girl, parents and family, the kind stigma when e be say she give her family not be small. Now them, now just say I feel pity for, honestly speaking, I no go lie you. But really, it's now wow, I don't even know where I want for start. But meanwhile, I just read small thing about wetin I feel read then. If I not fit finish am, cause it's a bit lengthy. If I not fit finish, I rest. 21 years old Unilag student paraded over the murder of Super TV CEO, reveals how it happened. A 21-year-old student of the University of Lagos, Chidinma, her name is Chidinma, has been arrested and paraded for allegedly killing the chief executive officer, Super TV, Osifo Ataga, in Lekki. Speaking with journalists today, the 300-level student of mass communication said she had been in a romantic relationship with Ataga for about 4 months. According to her, they were having fun when an argument broke out and she stabbed him twice. She also disclosed that she withdrew 380,000 naira from his account using his ATM card. Imagine. Can you imagine what is 380,000? You just keep person like that, you just buy am. Last week, we reported how Mr. Ataga was reportedly stabbed to death a few days to his 50th birthday. Osifo was reported missing by his family and friends after he didn't return to his residence in Banana Island, the Street Journal had reported. The man get money. Na big man o. Like, he get money, they very comfortable. Wetin dey find? I don't know. Wetin dey find for this small pikin? They see the age gap. It was gathered that He was found dead with multiple stab wounds at an apartment in Lekki Phase 1 on Friday morning, June 18, 2021. It was said that several withdrawals had been made from his account, ostensibly by his killer. Osifo, who is married to a manager in NNPC, had met the said mistress about a fortnight ago and they started seeing each other. He had rented an Airbnb in Lagos, where they will meet clandestinely away from prying eyes and ears. According to reports, following his disappearance, the police tracked down the owner of the Airbnb who received payment from the side chick's bank account, into which Ataga has previously made a transfer for the payment to. After the apartment was broken into, Osifo was found dead with multiple stabs on his neck, chest and thigh. The robbers withdrew 5 million naira from his account before killing him. It's believed that the mistress carried out the murder as security guards, and the renters confirmed that no third party had visited the lovers besides a dispatch rider who is suspected to have brought the leather drug to the side piece. So, man, this matter tire me reach bone. Like, seriously. You just comot for house, a responsible man, very comfortable. Like, you just come for, if you like white girls, see there, may I even use opportunity to address this issue. If you be man out there say now white do, how I want to talk am? I don't know how I want to talk am. You like white girls, good for white girls. If you be woman, you know say you like crazy guys, go for crazy guys. If you be man, you know say you like them fat, no go carry skeleton because say you want make dem say your wife dey model. If you like fat, go for fat. If you like skeleton, go for skeleton. If you be say you like cockroach, you like short, go for short. I see no reason why be say you go like them weird. You can't go carry the one when be say e dey homely, e dey accommodative. You just kind of put for house, don't use to make housewife, and at the end of the day you begin the buga, they go for her side. Like seriously, seriously. Now this man now he just go use him hand now take go by himself. Cause na so me I see am o. Wetin dey find for outside? This girl in all shades of truthfulness. This girl not reach, like he not reach the. Imagine say the woman sef na manager for NNPC. Just imagine. So meaning the woman says she dey okay, she dey make her own money, she dey very okay, she dey very comfortable. Why you go comot for house regardless of wetin really dey happen for house or what? They declare you missing, no communication. Before they declare this man missing, meaning he wasn't communicating with his family. Definitely. If you like girls when be say that they take this thing smoke, they take the kill themselves, now you like, and your wife's not into that category, go for them. If you be man when be say you like all those people when be say that they hang for road, now you like because you fit do weirdo things, weird things. Now me just they put the weirdo, then go for them and forget wetin people won't talk. You know if you can go carry responsible person come put for house because of because of societal, wetin they will talk and all that, and at the end of the day you just carry person daughter put for house begin dey maltreat am. Why you will continue with your own life? They do anyhow when you want. They at the end of the day, if something can happen, you come for. You see this thing, like they make some women when something happen, you'll see say some women they will turn their back on their husband. You'll say, hey, oh, this woman not good. If they tell you wetin they do before they can't get, woman not just they wake up, they turn back. If they tell you say wetin they don't see before they can't do like that, you self you go tire. Why you go leave your wife and kids for house, then you go rent another place, carry 300 level students, 300 level student mass communication, small girl Chidima, small pikin. That is if he never even get pikin when he reach like this, you just carry am put for them begin and see this small girl. You see her innocent face. Who go ever believe say this girl go fit get this kind mind? Who go ever believe say this girl will get this kind devilish mind to do this kind thing? No matter what, why you go kill human being? You no get, nobody get the right to kill person when be say, nobody get that right to tell, by person when be say they no fit, you not fit, you cannot create any human being, so you do not have that right to say you can't buy person. You do not. If you not get the right. See this small pikin, imagine now, not tattoo for her body, oh, nothing. You see how e dey decent. E be like, she look so homely. She be like all this church girl. You see this thing, this one na perfect example of do not judge a book by its cover. Me, I dey always dey use this word, say never judge a book by its cover. Try turn am. I know say some people still dey when be say dem dey very wide, oh, and dem wide both for inside and outside. While some people dey when be say dem really dey homely, dem dey homely both outside and inside. You see this small pikin now, you see the kind havoc when this pikin just do. You see am. She no even think of where she for dey come from. She not
Gets me, was stopping me. That's how we were both going about. He was stopping me. He even locked the door. It was really cute. He locked the door. I didn't know where he kept the key. So when I get to the door, he draw me back, and that was what happened.
Okay.
Based on the police, you said they were allegedly stopping so what country did you pursue?
3 times.
The first one was both. The first one was twice. You understand? The first one on the next side. That was the first one. And then when I stabbed him the first one twice, I threw the knife on the bed. Then he was going for it while I went for it. So while I laid on the bed, that's when it came on me to hold the knife, and that's when I managed to stab him with the knife. And then when he dragged the knife from me, he managed to slice my hand. And then as he was holding it, the knife broke, so it slipped off from his hand. I still managed to held to it, but then it was now weak, and then fell on the floor.
Okay, so why did you what was it about the first time that you didn't like? What did you do? Or what happened?
I was trying to sleep. It was midnight, so we were drunk and we have smoked, so I was already sleepy. And then I was already sleepy, and then when he came to me, that was what happened. It was violent and all. It was SK loud. How was it?
Yes, and loud.
Was there weed in the room?
How were you
That's weed now. Let's get it. It's not.
How were you arrested?
They came to my house, and that's how I expected.
Okay, do you live with your parents?
Yeah.
Where?
Yeah, like in Yaba.
Okay, how long have you known this guy and how did you meet him?
Exactly.
I've known him for 4 months, 5 months. I met him through friends.
A friend introduced him to you.
Yeah.
Okay, so how regular do you people see?
Not regular. Not regular.
Was that a first time of the week? You were saying he was coming from this kind
That was
of
my first time.
I need you to explain that because a lot of people do term that to mean another. When you say
That's time. That was time. Yeah.
Okay, so how long did you guys stay? Did you check in on Sunday? When did he die? Which day did he die? And when did you leave him? And how were you able to escape from the room after killing him? Or you just walked in?
Well, while he was lying there, I changed, and then I left the room. I looked for the key for where he ate it, and I left it.
So when you escaped, who did you reach out to? Where was the first place you went to?
I didn't reach out to anybody.
So
of
how
the
do you
ATM.
feel when you know that you have killed somebody and you just sneaked out? How do you feel at 21 committing this kind of crime?
What did you do with the ATM later? With his ATM?
I withdrew some money.
How much?
About 280.
So now 5 million.
On confirmed reports have it that in your original account you have about 10 million naira. How did you get such amount of money?
That's in my account.
So how was it traced to you?
It's not mine.
Is it like any sense of remorse after committing this crime?
I felt a lot. I confirmed the purpose was to
But
tell
you
us
didn't
5
tell
million was
anybody
yes.
before that you committed this crime.
I confirmed the purpose was said that after the date, you withdrew 5 million. No, 5 million